Hi everyone, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I have this super small 65 watt GaN mini adapter from Powerland. Here it is, and as you can see, it's 65 watts, one port. This is probably half the size of my previous GaN charger at this same 65 watt. So the technology is getting even smaller. Amazing. The details for the charging will be in the description below, but it fits in the palm of your hand. This powers iPad Pros, the most newest smartphones, Android phones, all the way up to MacBook Pros, even MacBook Air. All those devices can be charged and powered at full speed. iPhone 14 Pro Max from this one charger. So go look at Powerland. They have this new 65 watt mini charger with GaN technology. Definitely want to get your hands on one of these. And you can find this on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.